Welcome to Citadel Watch. We present to your attention wristwatches that you can buy us introducing. Today, we're taking a look at a watch from the legendary Swiss brand Rado, the DiaStar model with reference number R28886202. At first glance, it's clear that this is a stylish and technologically advanced accessory with a distinctive design that stands out from classic watches. The case is made of black matte ceramic. Not only does it look great, but it's also extremely practical. Ceramic is highly scratch resistant, doesn't fade over time, and is perfect for everyday wear. The case size is 37 mm, making the watch very versatile. It sits neatly on the wrist and is ideal for those who prefer a more understated size. Special attention should be given to the sapphire crystal. It is virtually impossible to scratch under normal conditions, meaning the watch will maintain its flawless appearance for a long time.
The bracelet is also made of black matte ceramic, giving the watch a cohesive and premium look. On the wrist, it feels comfortable and looks luxurious. The clasp is a clip-style closure, which is convenient for everyday use. The dial is a deep dark blue. Combined with the black case, it creates a very stylish contrast that immediately catches the eye. As for the movement, it features a quartz mechanism. This ensures high accuracy and minimal maintenance, a great choice for those who value reliability and convenience. In terms of functionality, the watch displays the date and is also equipped with a chronograph function, which is useful for measuring time intervals. Water resistance is rated at 30 meters, enough for everyday use, so you don't have to worry about splashes or rain, but it's not recommended for swimming. The condition of this particular piece is essentially new. The factory stickers are still on the case back, and the movement is working perfectly. The Rado DiaStar R28886202 is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a stylish Swiss watch with modern materials and reliable performance. It works well for both everyday wear and more formal occasions.
If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss new videos. Have a great day and happy shopping. Best wishes, Citadel Watch.